It's the last weekend of the year. We are thinking to go to IKEA to get some stuff before New Year. Today it is around -1 degree Celsius. It's really cold, but still we thought to do some shopping. It is so much crowded today. After doing shopping for almost 2 hours, we were hungry. We thought to have some food in the food court. There were many types of cakes here, as well as many kinds of salads. Got some vegan maltation. It is a minced vegetables wrapped inside pasta sheets. My husband got some meatballs platter. Dropped Ivanshika in a play area which is near the food court of this IKEA. After Ivanshika played in the play area, she also joined us for our lunch. After having lunch, we went for shopping again. It took us around 4 to 5 hours to get some home decor items from IKEA. We returned to home at around 5 p.m. While Ivanshika was busy in painting, we both thought of cleaning up our place. Today is Sunday and one of my friends is coming to our home today. This is how it looks like right now. My husband made some chicken biryani and also some prawn which I forgot to shoot. I enjoyed some chocolates after the busy schedule that we had this weekend. After our guest went away, we thought of cleaning our house some more as it is Sunday and we did not have time on the weekend. I tucked in Ivanshika to the bed at around 10:30 p.m. and we thought of watching a movie after that.